If you are looking to break into cybersecurity, but you don't know where to start, online training might just be the perfect fit for you. Online cybersecurity training basically provides individuals with the knowledge and skills that you need to protect the digital information, to protect digital information. In today's digital age, this training is critical due to the increasing number of cyber threats and demand for skilled professionals in this field. So, we are talking about it's established that cybersecurity is something that is in demand, something that is well rewarded in this age. Now, one of the key benefits of online cybersecurity training or taking online cybersecurity training is the fact that it's a very flexible thing. There's flexibility in learning. There's a high amount of flexibility. Online training allows you to learn at your pace while you are balancing work or studies. So if you are considering whether to take online training or going for in classes, online training gives you a lot of more flexibility. You can replay the courses over and over. You can learn at your own free time. And whether late night, lunchtime, any time of the day, you can easily get into cybersecurity, any of the training, and take your class. So this ensures that you can fit your learning around your commitments. You might have existing commitments, you might have existing things that you are doing. This flexibility allow you to to match the training into your own convenience. Online trainings are often more affordable compared to traditional and in-person class training or boot camps. Boot camps are usually very expensive. So if you are at all considering training as a beginner, boot camp might be a very expensive way for you to go to. Although it can be very, impacting, especially maybe you are preparing for something in a very short time and you have a short time. Boot camps can do that, but cost effectively online trainings are much better. Then there are a lot of resources, webinars, you can get guides, then you can get lower courses. A lot of times you see online program doing bonanza. So these are all things that makes it quite easily, cost effective. Now we're talking about accessibility. Online trainings are more accessible, no doubt. Accessibility of online cybersecurity training is known that online platform, anywhere you have internet access, you can take your training, and global learning communities. So you can join communities anywhere in the world, to take your training. You can decide to take training from places where you believe that they offer the best resources. So these trainings are always available for you anywhere, anytime, any day. Now, we're looking at specialized courses and certification. So, even while taking your online courses, you have specialized courses, you have certifications, you can easily prepare for Computer Security Plus, your CISSP, which is ISE2 tracks. You can be Ethical Council, you can easily prepare for any of these. So, because it's online, does not mean that you cannot have hands-on learning experience. Personally, I took online training at some point, severally, and I've had quality hands-on experience from some platform like Try Hack Me, Think Cyber Limited, Think Cyber Academy, Hack the Box. They give you hands-on experience that you can, that are very invaluable. Now, interactive elements come in. You can, have access to labs, simulators, and arenas online that where you can interact with live servers, and then you can practice what you are learning and also enhanced learning. One of the benefits of this online and hands-on opportunities that you get is that you can have opportunity that enhances your learning faster. The question is online cybersecurity training for you. What's the target audience? So online cybersecurity training benefits a wide variety of individuals, whether you're a work professional, career switchers, your students. Online cybersecurity training is something that uh, cuts across a wide range of audience. Now, potential challenges. One of the key challenges that motivation can be difficult. So getting motivated can be a tough thing. Technical issues, maybe you are doing right, you are learning and you run into technical issues, getting support, getting help, all this break in learning can be a challenge, and a lack of networking opportunities. So you are also not able to network with other learners, when you are taking training courses online by yourself. Now, one of the good things about this platform or cyberculture interface that will provide you online training opportunities and as well provide you opportunity to to interact, to get support. So you have opportunity to interact with me, to interact with other learners. We build a community around your online learning. So when you subscribe to our course, when you buy any of our courses, you are taking online at your own pace, and at the same time, we have a standby instructor that is ready to interact with you through a live session. You can put a call through a video call whereby you walk through questions, you walk through technical issues together. And also we have a community, so all the learners will have opportunity of being in the same group or WhatsApp group, same Discord server, and then they interact with each other, network, and also engage. And then we also have some cybersecurity games that you can play in the community, guided games, which whereby an instructor puts you through, and you play the games that are board games and card games that help you to jog your memory in cybersecurity. So, once again, if you are joining us for the first time, please like this channel, subscribe to this channel, and share with you. This is Cyberculture Interface.